Okay, Marty, here we go. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video. Again, my name is Jeff. The company is Belanger Solutions. So I want to show you what's going on. Apparently, you had a company doing a website for you, and they didn't do anything for you, and you're pretty upset with that. So let me give you some insight as to what needs to be done to get you exposed, for you to be seen on Google. There are three key factors. You need content, backlinks, and citations. Of course, you understand every time you type something in here, these are considered keywords. And Google uses these keywords to find websites that best fit the search for what they have as their content. And this is how Google uses to rank websites. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content that are relevant to these keywords, and that's how they categorize them. You need 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your website, depending on your competition and your number of keywords. Now, Southern Tree, so I hit you here. This is where you are. You're on a MapQuest. I'll pull you up. I'm going to pull your website, and this is what I get. So your website's down. All right. Now, had I typed in tree service, Sanford, North Carolina, you would want to be right here on the first page. You want to get exposure. Now, backlinks is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another website, and Google uses that to build trust. Of course, this is the map. Citations are important. Name, address, phone number, as it would reflect a Google business profile. If you don't have a Google business profile, I highly recommend that you build a Google business profile. With those three things combined together, that's what ranks you and puts you in the map. A lot of people look at this, auto repair near me, food near me, tree near me, and that will put you up in the map. Underneath the map is what's called organic ranking, and this is where content, backlinks, and keywords, search engine optimization, SEO. This is where this comes in, and this is what gets you on the first page right here. Advertisement, Yelp, Home Advisor, advertisement, Angie, advertisement. But I wanted to pick two and show you what's going on. So I have Professional Tree Service in Sanford, and I have them right here. So when I pull them, this is their website. The tool that I have to put them into, it's called Ahrefs, and it shows me what they have and why they ranked on the first page. They have 21 backlinks. Like I said, this is where one website links to another, and it's an endorsement of your website. 11 referring domains, and the keywords that they have, and the traffic per month that they're getting. Let's take a look at some keywords that they have. Quality tree service, 1,000 times a month. So this is the volume per month that word gets looked at. So that is 1,000 potential views for a customer to look at you and see your website and call you. Tree removal Sanford, 30 times. High quality tree service, 40. Quality tree care, 350 times a month. So if you weren't getting any exposure from the last company, they were not doing your SEO right, and that is why you probably don't have them anymore. I also wanted to show you one other example, so I also went with Fillstone Tree Stump because they're right here on the first page. This is their website. This just gives you a brief little gander at what they got going on. But just so, same thing, we're looking at 17 backlinks, 6 referring domains, 12 keywords, and the traffic. So they're getting 42 views a month. This is the top words that are bringing them in, aside from their name, tree removal. We can go take a look at what they got. Tree removal Sanford, stone tree. I don't know, Phil Stump, travel, stump removal companies, 150 times. So it's really just a matter, sorry about that. It's really just a matter of getting the right keywords, the right content, and the right structure in there. Now again, backlinks is important. Not all backlinks are created equal. For example, you don't want a backlink from would be like an ice cream shop, Sanford Ice Cream, referring back to you. It's not as strong as another tree service referring back to you is. So you want a strong domain ranked backlink with fair traffic. So this easylocal.com backlink gets traffic 53,000 times a month, and that's directly connected to their site, which brings in traffic or exposure, views. So with that being said, I don't know what the other company was doing for you. I understand your frustration, but when you can put the content and the backlinks and the citations, the Google business, and the keywords, the search engine, that is the big thing. Search engine optimization. Every time somebody types something in, you want your website to have enough content and keywords that Google recognizes you and it immediately starts moving you up the ranks as a trusted company. And it could bring a lot of value. It can, that's increased traffic, that's customers, that's revenue. That's what everybody's going for. I mean, that's why you started the business. So I apologize with the fact that you're unhappy with what you had. Maybe I can help you out. I'd love to talk to you. We can find what will be realistic for your business or what your goals are. And I'm hoping that I brought you some insight here. And if you could reach out, call me back, leave a email, however you want to do it. I'll get in touch with you and hope this helps. Thanks. Have a nice day.